This is the Industry Smash and Time clock. I bought this for $5. The original price was 19.95 and as you can see only $5 goes to the company and 15 will be donated to the canteen, to the wonderful people at canteen. I don't know how old this is. It looks retro. I don't know, maybe it was made in the 90s probably. It looks like a 70s style, like futuristic in the eyes of the 70s. It runs on 2 AA batteries, not included. You slap the clock and it will tell you the time. The color is green, made in China. Style MM3150. And there are different colors. So let's have a look and see the clock. It's a new old stock by the look of it. This is the instruction sheet. I will scan it. It will be at the end of the video. So this is the clock. It's very nice. We have suction cup here and nails mount, screw mount. So you can screw it or you can attach it to a window or something. Here we have 4 buttons: hours, minutes and set. This is the speaker probably. Yes, this is the speaker. And the batteries goes here. The suction cup already doing its job. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the idea of slapping it.
12 o'clock a.m.
It's for angry people. Okay, let's remove this one because it keeps ticking. This is the alarm. How do you set it? So this is the alarm. Need to get rid of this reflection. How do you set? Oh yeah. So now let's go to the minutes. No. So it's 12:45 a.m. now. No.
12:45 a.m. 12:45 a.m.
So this is it. Retro clock. I like the design. I like this retro futuristic look and the color as well. The only thing I don't like is the slab.
12:46 a.m.
I prefer if there was like a push button here or maybe touch instead of slabbing it.
12:46 a.m.
Of course we can modify it, but I don't want to play with it. I want to keep it as original as it is. This color is better than the one in the picture. Only the pictures shows like the digits are illuminated like LED or maybe inverted, but this one looks better, I think.
12:46 a.m.
So let's set the time and see. So for the time, so this is the timer, I guess. This is the alarm, yeah.
Alarm, 12:47 a.m.
Let's make it 12:49.
49. Alarm, 12:49 a.m.
So which one is alarm? The bell or this symbol? Let's see. No, that didn't work.
Alarm, 12:50 a.m.
Okay, now it should work.
a.m. 12:50 a.m. 12:50 a.m. 12:50 a.m.
here you have it. This is the Industry Smash and Time clock.
AM.
Well, there are 4 screws. I guess we should take it apart. Maybe it is old because we have a chip instead of a blob. Or maybe this is for the speech. Probably there's a blob underneath. I'm gonna take it apart further. I tried to Google it, but I didn't find any info about this clock, not even in a picture. So I don't know if it's modern or old. So I found this one. I don't know when this was posted. I don't know if it's old or if it's new, but it's unavailable. It's the exact same clock, only the colors are different, and it's 16.95 cents. There are no reviews. That's the only reference to this clock that I found. So probably this will be the first video about it. Maybe, I'm not sure. I think it's a keeper. I will keep it because I love this design. Thank you for watching.